this video, I will show you how to cancel your DoorDash order. So let's say you have an order placed and you want to cancel this, then there are only a few options that can happen when you want to cancel this. Because I have to say that it is not always possible to cancel your order for a full refund. Because sometimes it is already being prepared and then the restaurant where you bought your food is not able to cancel it because it is already prepared and it is already been baked or something like that. So I'm still going to show you what it looks like when you still want to cancel your order. So let's dive into that right now. What you basically need to do is when you are on your order, you can see it in order that you have placed. Then you can click on the options from that order and then you will see options like this saying the dasher status, the delivery ETA, and this option cancel order only when it is available. So when it is available, you can just go ahead and click on cancel order in here and then your order will be canceled. But sometimes it is not possible and then it will look something like this. So in this case, it is not possible to cancel your order because it states that the store has already started preparing this order and the dasher is on its way to pick it up. So they won't be able to issue a refund for this order. So you can just go ahead and cancel it still, but then you will only get a refund and you can try to issue that. But it is not always certain that you will get this refund because it is not possible to cancel the order. So you can just select don't cancel or cancel order in this case. And that is basically what it is. If it is possible that you can cancel your order, it will look something like this. And then you can state that you want a refund to the original payment method. And you can also get credits that are available immediately for use. And those are only available inside the app. So then you can click on continue and then confirm once more. And then you can eventually cancel your DoorDash order. So I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.